Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is persistent. It is pronounced per-sist-ent, and it is spelt P-E-R-S-I-S-T-E-N-T. Think per, sis, and then tent. Persistent means continuing to do something despite difficulties or opposition. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who doesn't give up easily. For example, you could say, the persistent rain made the marathon more challenging. Or, the pirates were persistent in their pursuit of treasure. The word persistent comes from the Latin word persistere, which means to stand firm. If you are persistent, you are standing firm for what you believe in or are trying to accomplish. In the movie Finding Nemo, Marlin and Dory are persistent in their efforts to find young fish Nemo and help him return home. Despite facing many obstacles and nearly being eaten by sharks, they continue on their mission. They are persistent. Synonyms for persistent are determined, resolute, and persevering. Antonyms are easily discouraged, to quit, and give up. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Persistent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.